This 2017 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 201 BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.